Doing a video on the disc repair machine ZDAG 102 SIMO. I'm doing this because my son recently tipped over my Xbox 360 and scratched up another one of my game discs. This is the third time he's done it. So I'm repairing this right here. I just got this the other day. Wanted to try it out. I was bored. So I'm going to show you how I fix my game disc. First you load up the machine. I have the green layer right here, the green invisible sheet right here, so the disc can be closer to the sanding buffers right here, the yellow ones, for like the coarse pads, which you use the yellow cream and the red cream. The red cream if it's like severely scratched, and the yellow cream if it's just like light scratches here and there. Alright, let me set the camera down for a second. Alright, and right now all I'm doing is applying just a dab of the red cream on the buffers at the moment. Make sure you secure the disc down. Put the top back on. It'll do a full spin for at least 10 seconds. And then you start it up. I at least do that red cream twice, and then I move on to the yellow cream at least once or twice, and then I go to the white cream, which will buffer it out. Let me set the camera down again. Well, actually, show you what it looks like so far. As you can see, the scratches are beginning to disappear. So I'm just going to apply just one more thing of the red. The next step cream on there is still the red, so I'm going to do it one more time. Start it up again. Open it. Only has the cream on the disc. If I can easily wipe that off, I'm set the camera down just for a moment. Put the disc back in. You can use the same pads again, but it's not wise. They gave me a whole box of these, so I'm not worried about it. It's not wise to use it with the heavy cream and then mix it, because it may do damage to your disc. So I'm just going to take these off real quick and place some more on it real quick. Let's set the camera down real quick. I'm doing this. I'm dabbing the yellow cream, just one drop each on it. It's like a tiny drop. That's all you need. Just don't cake it up. You just need like a tiny drop, and you're good. Alright, secure it down. Close it again. Start it up. Not sure if you can see it, but you hardly see the scratches. You may still see a ring around it, but I'll go around it just in case, just one more time. As that going through, I'm gonna put on these white pads, which is just a polisher. Make your disc brand new. So far, this is what the disc looks like. Scratches are barely visible. I'm just going to put on the polishing buffer, the white pads with the white cream. Put this right here, this compound, SIMO polish repair liquid compound. Just one dab, just a tiny dab, will make it look brand new. Alright, see how the disc is now. Tighten it up. Sorry, you gotta bear with me. I'm using my mobile phone to record all this. And go. Let's see. Look. Perfect. It's like practically brand new. You may probably notice still a little ring around there, but let's test it out. Working practically like new. Well, that's the end of that right there.
I'm back, baby.
So see you guys next time. If you have any questions, feel free to fill up my inbox or add anything in the comment section. I need a bigger hard drive. One thing about this game, it has a long ass loading time. But thanks for watching. I'm gonna stop running my mouth, and thanks for watching.